What's up guys, coming back at you with another unboxing video, and today got a pair of Yeezys. So these are the 350 version 2 Belugas with the red stripe. These were dropped on December 18th. I applied for the lottery and I was lucky enough to get one, so thank you for that, Adidas. But this box comes basically pre-sealed. So now we can see that there's a nice box here. On the side it says Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. The size I got was in an 8.5. These are typically a little tight, so they advertise and suggest that you go up half a size. Typically I'm a size 8. So you take it out the box by pulling it out from the side. Pretty untraditional, as most shoe boxes flip up. Oh wow, this is actually really cool. I thought this would be a little more black from the photos, but this is actually more gray. You can see on the bottom you have your white foam, your clear sole, these little tiger stripe things. This is my first pair of Yeezys, so I don't really know too much, and I'm probably going to end up selling these just because this is not my preferred colorway, but still a really cool shoe. From where I work, I actually see a lot of people wear these with their suits, which I guess in my line of work is pretty common. Tongue feels really good. Material feels super soft. I kind of get why a lot of people I see wear these with a lot of looking comfortable all the time. But in here on the sole, you can see it says Adidas and Yeezy. Same thing on the other side. Down here you can see it says Boost. You can also see here on the tag right there says original. So this is how you know it's real, when you're buying it directly from the manufacturer. If I recall, paid $240 for these. Shipping was included. So you can see they're pretty gray. Nice bright orange stripe, little accents all across. Got your clear sole, excellent stitching, and it feels super soft. But that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe on what other unboxing that you would like to see. And everyone have a wonderful holiday.